Would you consider yourself a heavy sipper?
Yeah. I've been sipping for about 10 years now, since I was like 12.
Would you consider yourself addicted to sipping?
No, I'm not addicted to nothing. I just quit smoking like 4 months ago.
Cigarettes? Marijuana?
Marijuana.
And was that easy or hard for you to do?
Easy piece of cake.
Cold turkey?
Cold turkey.
And what was the reasoning for that?
My situation.
Ah.
Yeah, and another thing, like, cause, like, we really, oh my God, it had me thinking so fucked up. Just opened my mind up to a lot of bad shit, and I really don't like it. So I really had to fall back from it.
Now, what does sipping do for you exactly?
Sipping is actually, it makes me comfortable and have me ready to make music. Because, I mean, like, sipping is a tradition where we come from. That's how we was raised. Sipping. You ain't got no double cup, you don't know how to drink, you know? So, that's how we came up.
Now, have you ever thought about quitting sipping? Have you ever actually quit?
I actually stopped for I stopped for about a year.
Was that easy or hard for you to do?
Piece of cake.
Because I always hear stories about people that have tried to quit sipping.
Withdrawals.
And the withdrawals just keep them in there. And they just can't let it go.
It's easy. I mean, you gotta let it go if you want to.
Now, when it comes to sipping, right, I've seen some people do some strange things with their cough syrup. I've seen 21 Savage pour it on his waffles on social media. I've seen Young Thug pour it on a ice cream cone. And when I did an interview with a heavy sipper, they told me one time they had poured it in a bottle of Ace of Spades for fun.
Well, that's just wasting your money. Because I would never do that in my life, ever.
What's the strangest thing you've put syrup on, cough syrup on, if anything? Anything more stranger than what I just mentioned?
A blunt.
I've heard of people doing that.
And that's it. That's all. I ain't never do nothing else. I mean, I actually pour syrup in pink lemonades and drinks that I really drink, and it be better than what it was.
Now, have you had any, just being a sipper of 10 years, have you faced any health issues dealing with it? Dental issues dealing with the...
No, because, like, I drink water. I make sure I get enough water in my body before I get a whole lot of drink in my body, you know? So, yeah, I kind of take my body serious.
Now, 10 years of sipping, I hear that sipping is an expensive habit, an expensive drug. How much do you think you've probably spent?
About 100 grand, about 150 grand on sipping.
150 grand. When you hear that number, do you ever feel like...
I wish I did have it, I ain't gonna lie. Well, I wish I had that money that I had. I wish I could still, you know, I wish I still, you know, had it in my pocket, but even though my bankroll is still long, but still, you know, like I could use it, you know? Yeah.
Is it worth it?
To me it is, but to other people it ain't, you know, so kind of what I'm what, you know what I'm saying?